Good morning, everyone. So, continuing from our revision, let's take a look at those two questions. So, I've got here some Venn diagrams, and we're being asked to describe in words the shaded region of those. Alright, so just describe in words. You don't have to write the proper notation. So, looking at the first one again, you can always pause the video and try the questions yourself. That's what I would suggest, in fact, and then you can check your answers. All right, but let's look at this. So the first one here, well, what is actually colored, right? What's shaded here is everything which is outside of my set X. Therefore, this is the shaded region is basically everything which is not in X, and we call that complement of X, right? We have been using X prime, so 7a here, oops, add another line. So 7a, it would be the complement of X, which basically means everything which is not inside of our set X. Alright, letter B. Now, if we look at those, we are getting everything which is in either one, but not in both. Right? So, if we were going to do operations here, we could think, I know we're just asked for words, but we could think of this as an union, and then you're taking out the intersection, isn't it? But anyway, if you had to describe this in words, well, you could say that it's exactly one of X or Y, but not both. Right? And just for you guys to develop your, let's say your mathematical vision, X or Y here, we're basically doing the union. I know that's not what the question's asking us, but you should be getting this, right? And both is the intersection. So basically we have our union, but we're not taking the intersection. Letter C. Now, it's similar to the first one, right? But with set Y instead. However, I am still taking what is in X. So, well, this is basically the complement of Y plus what's also X right here. So you can think of this as everything which is in set X or in neither, right? Because if it's in set X, it's shaded, and if it's in neither set, it's also shaded. So there you go, everything is set X or neither. And again, the word or, just like we did before, just like it happened here, it means union. So we're basically doing the complement, the union of set X with neither. Easy peasy, isn't it? Now let's go to the next question, number 8. So in a survey at an airport, 55 travelers said that last year they had been to Spain, 53 to France, and 49 to Germany. 18 had been to Spain and France, 15 to Spain and Germany, and 25 to France and Germany, while 10 had been to all three countries. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information and use it to find how many travelers took part in the survey. So my suggestion here is for you to start in the middle, start where you know the three countries, and then you move outwards. So first let's draw our Venn diagrams. Now, since we have 3 sets, I will draw 3 circles. Right? Let me make this larger. Okay, so universal set. let's call this Spain, France, and Germany. Okay, so 10 people have been to all three countries, right? Now, out of people, and now you look at the combinations 2 and 2. So, for example, 25, France and Germany. So, out of those 25, 10 went to all three countries, right? So 15 went to France and Germany only. So we're taking out this 10, because out of those 25 who went to France and Germany, 10 of those also went to Spain. So they are already considered here. So when we take this portion here, which is the intersection of Germany and France, we'll still have 25. So let's go for the next one, Spain and Germany, 15. So Spain, Germany is 15, but I already have 10 here, so I only need 5 left. Now Spain and France, 18, so similar, this is 10, so 8 left. So far so good. Now we'll look at each individual country. So 49, Germany. So I add those which I already have in Germany, right? So if I look at Germany here, how many do I already have? 15 plus 15, that's 30. So how many left to 49? 19. Now France, 53 went to France. So how many do I already have here in France? So if I consider everything which is inside of this set, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 8, 33. If I want to add up to 53, I still need 20. Who went only to France? You get it, right? Because 53 people went to France, but some of those also went to Spain, some of those also went to Germany, and some of those went to all three of them. So when we consider everything inside of the set F, which is people who went to France, it should add up to 53. Now the last one is Spain. So we've got 55, and we already have those here, 5, 10, and 8. So we're only missing 32. And that's basically it.